What's up guys, KP Moto. I'm doing a little video on my new sled. It's a 2020 Polaris Assault 144. It's got the 850 in it. I believe it was a snow check model. I bought it from the first owner. It's already got a 2-inch paddle on it. Haven't really had any chance to make a video on this thing. Ordered some parts and I figured, I always kind of do this type of video. So I got a BMP Bikeman performance can for it. I got this little thing supposed to help the recoil not get burnt. All right, here's the stock suitcase of a can. All right guys, so there was a spring here, 2 here, and 1 here. I think there was just 4 total, but I think we're only be putting 3 back on. This one will be used. I bought this pull rope shield from Mountain Tech. You can check them out if you want, but it's honestly, if I would have known what it was, if I would have looked at it a little harder, I just would have made one. It's just wire loom with heat wrap over it. You can get that at like AutoZone and stuff. I actually have that on some of the hoses on my car that go around the turbo so they won't melt. That should be good enough, I think. Just untied the rope, put it on there. I don't even know, I couldn't figure out how to do it the correct way per se, but I think that'll hold it out of the way. So I've heard a lot of problems burning these. So I'm gonna get this exhaust back on. Just figured I'd let you guys know that because it is a common thing. You put a can on these sleds, they'll burn right through the pull rope. And this is electric start, so I won't use that much, but just so it's out of the way, so if I need it, I have it. I got this Bikeman on and I fired it up and checked it over, make sure there's no leaks or anything. This thing is way louder than I expected, so unless you want a loud can, don't get this. Here it is.